Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is noise and music. Listening to your favorite music or being in a traffic jam with vehicles honking around, which sound will be pleasant to your ears? Definitely music. We hear different types of sounds around us. Some sounds are pleasant to the ear, whereas some are not. Does a sound sometimes also cause discomfort to you? Yes, definitely. So, sounds can be classified as musical sound and noise. Sound which is pleasant to our ears is called musical sound. For example, sound of musical instruments such as harmonium, piano, guitar, etc. Musical sounds are produced by regular and periodic vibrations. We enjoy sounds from different musical instruments. Instruments play sounds of different frequencies in a sequence. There are 7 basic notes in Indian music. These notes are Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni. If musical sound becomes too loud, would it remain pleasant to our ear? The answer will be no. So, sound above 80 decibel is very painful to hear. Sounds which are unpleasant to our ear are called noise. For example, sounds of horns of vehicles, construction work, machines in factory, aeroplanes, etc. They are produced by irregular and non-periodic vibrations. Unit of loudness of sound is called decibel. It ranges from just audible sound, that is 1 to 10 decibel, to painfully loud sound, which ranges from 150 to 180 decibel. Next topic is noise pollution. Presence of unwanted substance is called pollution. For example, presence of unwanted substances in water is called water pollution. Similarly, presence of unwanted and excessive sound in our environment creates noise pollution. Sounds produced by the moving vehicles and their horns, various devices like vacuum cleaners, drilling machines, mixer and grinder, machines used in the industries are some of the major sources of noise pollution. So, how to reduce noise pollution? If the noise level in our environment is not controlled, it may damage our health. We can take some steps to reduce the noise level around us. So let us know what are those steps. First is avoid very loud music that might hurt your as well as others' ear. Then avoid unnecessary use of horns of the vehicles while traveling. Then a high quality silencer in vehicles, aircraft engine, industrial machines and home appliances should be installed. Then we should wear earplugs to protect the ears if working in a noisy atmosphere. We should plant more and more trees because trees help to reduce noise level. The plants and the trees have a good ability to absorb the sound.